Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to reset Wattpad password. On the left hand side of the screen you're going to see how to do it on the mobile app. On the right hand side of the screen you're going to see how to do it on the computer. So there's going to be two different ways of doing this. The first one I'm going to show you is how to do it when you're logged out. The second way is going to be how to do it if you're logged in. So first of all, click login or sign in depending on what device you're on there. Then click forgot password. You can click on that little link there. Then type in your email or username there. Then click send instructions. Go to your email address that you use for your account. Click that reset my password one, as you can see me doing there. Then that's going to bring you to this web page right here on our device. Type in the new password you want to use right there. You're going to need to do that twice. Then click reset password. And then it will log you in to the account. Once you're logged into the account, that's when you know it's been changed officially there. So then next we're going to go on to if you're already logged into the app. It's also useful if you don't know your email, but so you need to kind of be logged in for this, or you just want to change the password like I'm going to show you here once you're logged in. Click on the top right hand corner if you're on the mobile app version with a little circle there. You don't want to click on that. Then you're going to want to click the cog on the top right hand corner. That's going to bring up the settings. Then you're going to want to click account settings there. Then you're going to click the password. There you should see it next to it with the dots next to it there. Then you're going to want to type in your new password and current password. Then click down in the top right hand corner. On the computer, click the top right hand corner there, as you can see me doing. Then click settings. Then you're going to see the password button there in the middle of the page. You can see me clicking it. You can click change there. And that's where you're going to want to go ahead and type in your current password and the new password twice there. Once you click submit on that, then the password will be changed. So leave a like on the video if this did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen similar how-to videos on the Wattpad app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.